Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to restore the data on Google Sheet or how to recover the Google Sheet data on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is open your Google Sheet application, and here is the log. So to check the data that we already deleted, we just need to go into these three straight lines, and after that you just need to jump into the bin. Then you just need to click it, and here will be appear like several documents that you recently delete, and you just need to choose which documents that you want to bring back into your Google Sheet or Google Drive. So the things that you have to do after you find the document, you just need to go click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click restore. You can do the same for the rest of the documents that you want to bring them back into your files. Okay, so for example, this weekly timesheets here, let's bring it back into our home. Just need to go do the same, click these three small dots and go click restore. And now let's go back into our home page by go click into the three straight lines and go into the recent. And now this document is already backed into our home. So that's the way how to restore Google Sheets data on iPhone. If you find out this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.